to the 2,595 people who have subscribed to the channel since July 12th. Welcome to the tribe. Now let's go. We're looking at, first, and I'll tell you why in a minute. NVIDIA has been going down for a while. We got the sell signal here. We got another one here. NVIDIA, the reason we're looking at it first is because my thesis is that the Qs have been driven by the AI narrative, and the 800-pound gorilla on the AR narrative is NVIDIA. So NVIDIA, as NVIDIA moves, so moves the Q. That's my thesis, and if I'm right, I'm going to show you how it lays out on the chart. Let's remove the diagram here. And now I will add the Qs in the background, okay, of there, and it's on the chart now. As you can see, NVIDIA begins its drop here, at this point. The Qs continue higher, but as NVIDIA weakens, the Qs also weaken. That's the blue line here, that's the Qs, okay? Now, from its high to its low, NVIDIA dropped by 20%. The Qs, on the other hand, have only dropped by 11%. My thesis, if it's correct, is that the Qs will go down more. I'm not saying they'll move hand in hand with NVIDIA and have a 20% hold down, but I do expect us to have some more downside in the Qs. I'm showing you that when I move to the Q chart by itself. Let's take this down now and put the dynamic value indicator back up, and let's see where we are. Okay, so the CMCR, let's look at that for a minute. We have some divergence here, okay? We hit, 293.05 here, and we only got up to roughly 256 in NVIDIA on this, on the CMCR. So that divergence, I think, is playing out as well, and it should cause some more weakening in NVIDIA, and thus I think we'll have more weakness in the Qs as well. Now I put another indicator on the bottom. This is the LFI. It tracks NVIDIA a little more closely. It does begin to turn earlier, as you can see here, in this area, but they both turn down, and then there's some recovery here. All right, now let's move on to the Q, and I've taken NVIDIA off, and let's look at it. So in the Qs, we have this divergence that's been playing out. We had 313 here. We did not go as high as we did here though, and over here, we only got up to, I think the high was 302. So we're going to see some of that divergence playing out. Unless the CMCR turns and goes higher, I would expect us to see some more downside here. And now let's look at the LFI. The LFI turned here, which was a bearish divergence signal, confirming what we saw here. And now we get the down move. The LFI and the Q also went down. We still have this sell signal, so I would definitely not be long, and be very cautious if you plan to stay long. We have a bullish signal still on the consensus master. I'll pull that up more so you can see it more clearly over there. The last signal we got was bullish, and the consensus master is designed for you to stay in positions longer. So if you can stand the downside, stay long. If you can't, that's what these other indicators are for. This is for your long position, long term. These are as well, but they tell you when you can enter and exit to go to safety. That's all for now. Peace and profits to you all.